Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on the exact worksheet. This reduces false matches and speeds the search. Press Ctrl plus F to open the Find dialog, then click Options so you can control scope. Make sure Within is set to Sheet so Excel limits results to the current tab, and pick Lookin. Values or formulas depending on whether you need displayed text or underlying formulas. Once done, type your term and use Match Case or match entire cell contents when precision matters. Once you have basic settings, click Find All to produce a searchable list of every match with cell addresses. You can Control plus click multiple results and jump between them. For flexible queries, use wildcards, asterisk for any string end, for single characters, and escape with tilde when searching for literal or asterisk. If you need structured extraction, switch to Go to Special for constant slash formulas, or use match and index formulas to locate rows programmatically, which helps when filtering, or finish by using Replace only after previewing results with Find All so you avoid unintended edits. When replacing, consider Replace All for clear bulk changes, but save first. Make sure to save a backup or rely on Undo immediately after edits, and reapply sheet protection if required. If a search returns nothing, first check for active filters, hidden rows, different cell formats, or extra spaces. Those are common blockers. If still stuck, change Lookin to formulas or clear filters and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.